What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I know it's been a while since you guys have seen me and since I did a vlog, but today I want to go ahead and give you guys like an update on the G, because it has been a while and not too much, but like a good bit has got done since like my last actual vlog, not my racing video. But anyway, today is January the 1st, 2022, so I want to go ahead and tell you guys Happy New Year's and let's make this year a good year. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. Show you guys what I got done to the G. All right, I don't know where to start at, but I'm gonna go ahead and go to the front of the car. All right, so I know my last vlog was prepping the G for boost. We do got the G boosted. We got Soho stage 1 single turbo kit right there. She is currently on wastegate, 6 to 7 pounds right now, pushing 480 to the wheels. So yeah, I got that done. Got a trans mount, polyurethane motor mounts, and yeah, I put a 450 Walbro 450 fuel pump in the tank. I will make not really a how-to video on that, but like showing you somewhat of how I got that done, because it wasn't no videos out there for me when I was looking to how to do it. I had to call Soho and they had to show me. I will make like a little guide on there. We got Cosmo racing wheels. We got 18 by 9.5 in the front and 18 by 11s in the rear. I got a 15 mil spacer in the front. These are 295s, and those are Toyo R888 315s in the rear. Yes sir, we need that to hook. I currently got those at 20 pounds right now, because above that the car doesn't really want to hook from a rolling anti-lag. I just got my my brake calipers powder coated pearl white. It didn't come out the best way that I wanted them to come out, but it does flow really nice with the gloss black wheels. Let's see, I kind of think that's it really. But today what we're going to do is, as you can see, my hood is missing, because I do got the carbon fiber hood, and I'm going to get that. I'm trying my best to get that. I'll show you over here. So as you can tell, this hood is really sun damaged, really faded. The clear coat is gone. When I first brought the hood, I did get someone else to he cut and buffed it, and it lasted for a few days. Like, it came out like that. You can still see some of the stuff on the edge, but it came out really good for like 2 to 3 days. It rained again, then it went straight back to this, and it's been getting worse ever since. So what I'm going to do is today I'm going to sand it down and everything, try to get it back to how that looks right there. I don't know if you can tell, but today I'm going to sand it down, wet sand it with some sandpaper, and try to re-clear coat it myself. I was going to pay someone else to do it because I wanted this to come out good, but right now I have too many other plans going on with the G, so I'm gonna try to attempt this myself. So yeah, right now I'm just disassembling it and everything, getting these little things out of here. Probably going to paint these either gloss black or white, something. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and continue taking this apart, and then I'll update you guys after that. All right, so I got the hood all set up and everything. What I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and wash it. I did take these things out. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put those back in, all honesty. I have to see. It may look better with them, without them. But anyway, although I washed the car this morning, I'm gonna go ahead and rewash the hood, because I did just get back from driving the car. So we want to first start off with that, and then we got the sandpaper in the car. I don't have a way to set you guys up, so I'm just gonna, you know, give you guys little updates and stuff like that. Right now, this is after the 800, so far I did the 600, and I just got done with the 800. I cleaned it and everything, so it's looking pretty good, turned out pretty good. You can tell I'm kind of missing this spot right here, and let's see, a little bit right there, up in there. I don't know if I missed that or not, because I was definitely over here. I don't know if I just didn't clean it off or something. I probably do got to sand that part down a little bit more, and up in there. So yeah, it's coming out pretty good. You know, it's not going to be perfect because I am definitely not in the body shop, but it's looking pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and do it with the 1500 just to be a little bit more I don't even attentive, basically, like pay attention to this, you know, a little bit more just to get it sand down, because I have been missing it with the 600 and 800. So yeah, after that, then we're gonna wash it again, let it dry, and then hopefully we can get to clear coating it. Yeah, because I don't have that much time left of daylight. So I just got done with the 1500 grit sandpaper. So what I'm gonna do now is, right now I'm letting it dry, but I'm gonna take some alcohol and wipe it down. And then I went and got some of this clear coat from AutoZone. So we're gonna do 2 to 3 light coats of this and then 1 heavy coat. And hopefully, fingers crossed, it comes out good. I'm not expecting this to be perfect, but I'm hoping that it does look at least 5 times better than what it was before, because that was crap. We got a import and lights meat. No, yeah, that one is coming up in March, but we got a coastal something meat coming up in February. So, you know, trying to get the G ready, and hopefully I have my front bumper wrapped by then. But yeah. All right, I don't know if you guys can really see, but the hood has been clear coated. I know I'm not the best at this. Yeah, you can see it's not really evenly laid, but it looks good. And tomorrow, after I let it cure for 24 hours, I'm going to take some 3000, I don't know where I put it, but some 3000 grit sandpaper and try to maybe make it look even, you know. Just try my best or something, because it looks good, but definitely you can tell right there, no even coats, but it's all cool though. I already knew it was gonna be perfect. But that is it for this video, guys. It's currently 6 o'clock. It's dark outside, so I'm gonna call it a day. And yeah, like I said, Happy New Year's. Remember, continue checking out the channel and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.